Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to set up speak selection text on your Mac. It's very interesting tips and tricks. It's very simple how to do it. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. I just simply give it to you one of demonstration. If I select entire text and I right click and I need to speak entire content like this.
Welcome to Research Rocks. There are two passionate things for me, research and traveling rocks. Being an experienced person in the research area of ML and AI.
It's very easy to activate this feature here. If you are selecting this one and use your keyboard shortcut and such kind of options is automatically coming here, and right now the speech text to speech is going on in my Mac. It's very simple to activate this process, and you can use this process of any application using these tips and tricks in Mac only. You just simply click here Apple menu, system setting, and then we need to enter accessibility. Here spoken content. Inside the spoken content, speak selection option are available here, but here is no or displaying where is the language, how to change and all. You just simply click here the I menu, click, and after that keyboard shortcut. I already decide on my keyboard shortcut is option plus Z, and here some of the information I just simply close it, and you can decide here the particular language, which language voice you want needed. So accordingly I select here Indian, Sri voice 1, the female voice is quite good, and which language you want speak this particular content. So I select here by default is English. You can play here some of the voice also. So this is a simple way to activate speak selection option on your Mac. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.